Hello, I'm Max. Thank you for choosing Max Options Trading. I want to just quickly go over everything with you on the Discord so you're not confused once you just join with your new membership. So you obviously came on our website, you liked what you saw, you wanted to give us a shot and decided we're the trading investment group for you. Great choice. So you signed up and you'll see this screen here. So now you can join the Discord directly from our website with your own personalized account, where you can also make an affiliate account if you want to invite your friends. We do 25%. So it could be a little confusing at first. So you'll get this welcome message in your DMs where it has our YouTube videos. Here's the intro to our beginner course. If you're completely new to options trading, I 100% recommend take our beginner course. It is 100% on YouTube, completely free. It has 10, 12, 14 classes on there now, all designed to help you succeed. All right. So I just joined the Discord here. A big welcome message, and then I see all of this on the left. So let's go all over this together. We have the Booty Morning Show going on right now. So this is what you'll see. So on the left here, we'll have our rules and regulations. This is just the company's rules and regulations in the Discord. Be respectful. Don't post anything explicit. Don't promote any other companies. Don't spam. Apply risk management. Just the very standard basics, rules and regulations. Then you'll come to our legal disclaimer up here. Just know that you're trading at your own risk. Trading is very high risk for your equity and your money. And you can lose. So only invest what you're willing to risk. That's just a quick disclaimer that we're not responsible for your losses. We have our announcements channel where any big things come into the company, we throw them up here, where it be class schedules, new courses, any developmental projects. So we'll make the announcements here. Here's an affiliate success tab. I don't have permission to view this. That's good. But this is a quick setup of how you become a successful affiliate. We have hundreds of graphics if you want to start promoting, whether through social media and such. This is the introduce yourself channel where you can see everyone says what's up, why they're here, how you doing, and then we all give them a warm welcome. Just MOT is a family community. So then you'll see the trading alerts and signals. I'm sure this is why a lot of you are joining the company, because you want to make that easy, quick cash, no problem at all. This is the watch list section where we post the watch list every morning. If you look at the watch list, you'll see where Sean posts it and where I redo it for social media. This is very simple. So essentially, this is saying that this is the date. These are the tickers. Long means you can enter calls at this price. Short means you can enter calls at this price. PT stands for price target. I have a little cheat sheet down here, and you would simply enter the nearest expiration date and the at the money or closest out of the money strike price on either one of these, and you would take profits on PT 1 or 2, regardless on how much you're up. It doesn't matter. You have to respect the price targets. They're there for a reason. And that's basically it, how you play the watch list. So you wait for the entry prices, you can set alerts on your trading software, and then you take profits on price target 1 or 2. Then we have Booty. Booty trades. Booty is the CFO of Max Options Trading and master scalper. His social media, he posts advanced technical analysis. He is one of the best traders I know. He does cryptocurrencies, he does stocks, he does it all. Long-term growth, scalping. So definitely, if you're a scalper, you like crypto, I would watch Boot. He is unbelievable. Hi, I'm Max. I'm the owner of MOT, and I am a seller. So on my page, you'll see nothing but credit spreads, condors. I do swing trade every so often. It's not as common as it used to be. However, I love selling premium. So if you know how to conduct level 2 and level 3 options trading, join me. I have a very, very high success rate. I believe I only missed one $30 trade in the entire month of April here, which you can backtrack my blog to completely find that out. Sean is unbelievable. He loves day trading. He posts some serious technical analysis, and he tells you why, just like all of us, we entered every single trade or why we're exiting every single trade. We post the technical analysis for you guys because we want you to learn what we do. We're not just going to post the alerts and say exit here, join here. We do that, but we also teach you how to fish while we're doing it. The long-term growth channel is exactly for that, long-term growth. So we post shares that we're adding and that we plan on holding for a minimum of 6 months to 1 year. We're trying to hit that long-term tax bracket. So we add shares and we let the team know that why we're adding those shares. And then you could see sometimes it's good to trim them down or let them grow as you go and protect your long-term portfolios. We also teach how investment strategies on how to protect your long-term portfolios. The member trade section is for premium members. This is guys who have stood out. They are helpful. They love calling out their own plays, and they're just here to help. They've been with MOT for a long time. Some of these guys since the beginning. They're fantastic traders. You can follow them as well as they post their ideas, trading concepts, and plays. And they do a fantastic job. I love watching them, and I join them on most of their insights. Then we have the main options chat. You can see the main options chat right here, where the main chat, I mean, this basically is, here's the main chat where everyone gets in after it, discusses options trading, crypto, whatever you like. We have a full-time educator with Nick Educations. He is our full-time educator. So if you have any questions at all, 24/7, you could post in our beginner chat, and we have a full-time educator who's here to help you learn. That is his sole purpose. He is unbelievable. He does a fantastic job. Like I said, we want you guys to educate first. So if you need absolutely anything, whether it's the very basics of beginning to get it set up, or you want to learn a little bit about advanced options, you can ask Nick, and he's here to assist. We have our charts and analysis where we post advanced technical analysis, and we can have discussions with each other, whether these trends or patterns look like they're potential setups for the team, because we're a team here. We want to make money together. There's absolutely no fucking reason that you should be selfish with your technical analysis. Post it. Let's talk about it. Let's agree on it. Let's make some money together. Winning trades and earnings, we like to show off, of course. So winning trades and earnings, this is where we post our winnings. And as you can see, just from this week alone, the guys are doing really, really well. This is just this week alone. Here we go. So it's fantastic to see everyone grow together and earn together. Testimonial reviews. This is where the guys voluntarily, we don't pay people like other groups. If you want to leave an assessment of a testing review, leave one. I don't give a shit if it's good or bad. I take the constructive criticism with stride, and I improve my company. And if it's something good, then I really appreciate it, and we'll continue to strive to do the best for you. Off topic, when the guys want to mess around, if you have anything stupid or wild, outlandish to put that has nothing to do with options during or after market hours, I appreciate if you keep that in the off market. Active members get promoted. So there's a little leveling system here that's pretty cool, where you can check out your level or your rank, and it's pretty neat because we give out like free gift cards and stuff for people that are enjoying the Discord and active. You can see here we have the voice chat where Boot, the CFO, is currently doing a live scalping session. So if we jump in here real quick,
bear candle coming out right here.
Yeah, but you can't just rely on just candles to trade.
You'll see this right here where you have a beautiful live session going with Boot, who's this unbelievable scalper trader, and they're doing live trading together while he goes over technical analysis and debates with the senior and more advanced traders in the team. Doesn't get better than that. We do that once, maybe a week. We're going to try and probably grow that to 2. Down here, you have the Max Options bot, which is fantastic. The Max Options Flow bot has some trade ideas. Remember, these are just parts of a puzzle. They're not the entire thing. You should never base a play off of an algorithmic alert like this from these. However, they are really good. If you wanted to talk and look up things, you could see Malero here. He's been looking up things for some stocks, and it gives you little algorithmic AI with some price data. So it's good to have. We have the option sweeps. Option sweeps are fantastic if you want to follow big money. This is where you can see the live sweep orders. This is not a delay. This is live. We also have the block trades for shares and equity traders. This is a great way to stay on track with that. And then important news, also a key factor of stocks like Tesla right here. Tesla's credit revenue loss, devastating, says the strategist, and you can look through the news here. And if you see anything with your stock or you see something very bullish, then you might want to be able to jump in. So Love the max options flow section, all indicators, just a piece of the bigger puzzle. Definitely take advantage of that. Down here is our trading course. So if you're on YouTube or if you're in the Discord, I highly suggest you take the trading course. I've taught it to hundreds of people, and every one of them had nothing but unbelievable things to say, that it improved their trading. It clarified something they were having problems with, especially like discipline and risk management or the Greeks. And they really enjoyed it. So you could take the intro, candlesticks, support resistance, the Greeks, how to choose the right options contracts, technical analysis, day trading versus swing trading, discipline and risk management, advanced option strategies, and how to payment plan and reinvest. Then I also taught some additional classes like how to trade cover calls for 6-figure passive income and how to huge hedging to keep your long-term portfolio above the curve. People want to know how to do it. I teach you how to do it. I'm consistent. I can prove, you can prove it in the Discord and in the channels here. And then down here, we have our user count. We're not a very large team. We maintain around 300 to 400 customers at all times. And around 400, I cut the cap. I don't want to grow to be one of these 2,000, 3,000 people. I don't do this for money. I do this because I enjoy teaching and helping others. All right. So if you guys want any more in depth, please find the beginner questions just like today right here, something that with Nick can help you with. If not, you can DM any of the staff at any time. Please, we're here to help you. We want you to learn and be successful and grow with us. All right. So I hope you enjoy the Discord, your 7-day free trial. And if you have anything you need, please let us know. Welcome to the team. It's great having you here. And I'm confident that you're going to grow as a great trader and you'll be with us for the long run. Thanks and take care.